What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix high ping in Roblox. Make sure your Roblox is closed before you start this process. And when your Roblox is closed, press on the Windows key, search for Roblox player, and then right click on Roblox player, click on Open File Location, and then right click again on Roblox player, click on Open File Location once again, and you're going to find yourself here in Roblox player beta. We're going to right click on it, and if you're using the Windows 11, you're going to click on Show More Options, and then click on Properties. Then here in Properties, you're going to go over to the Digital Signatures tab, click on it, and here you have one option, which is the Roblox Corporation. Click on Details, then you're going to click on View Certificate. This will bring up the certificate, so go ahead and click on Install Certificate, and go along with the easy to follow instructions to install it successfully. When you've done that, you can go ahead and open Roblox again to see the difference. If this was helpful, do give a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.